now you cut on this. You cut like this.
Sure.
Not up to the end like that. Cut that. Nice. Cut. Make sure you cut. Giving you some strips. Well, we cut from. Okay. Unakata kutoka chini alafu you see this way. And continue. That's right. Yes. If you are finished cutting, you tell me. Let me give you different colors. Start already.
Yes.
Put down cutting and make strips. More strips. Because they are not tight and you are not.